Want to simplify reordering and streamline your purchase order process? Ordoro makes it easy to assign suppliers to your products. Let me show you how. To assign a supplier to your products for reordering and purchase order creation, start by going to the Products tab. Find the product you'd like to update and click on it to open the Product Details page. From there, go to the Suppliers tab and click Add Supplier Assignment. In the pop-up window, select your supplier from the drop-down menu. If your supplier uses a different product code, enter their supplier SKU. Then, add the supplier unit cost, minimum order quantity, and lead time. These values will automatically be used as defaults when creating purchase orders for this product. Be sure to double-check your entries to ensure accuracy. When you're done, click Save. The supplier information will now appear on the Products Details page, ready for reordering. To assign a supplier to multiple products at once, go back to the Products tab. Select the checkboxes for the products you want to update. Click Actions and choose Set Supplier Dropshipper. From the drop-down menu, select your supplier and click Save. The supplier details will be applied to all selected products. With your suppliers assigned, reordering becomes faster, easier, and more accurate, helping you keep your stock levels in check and your business running smoothly.